What's going on YouTube? It's your boy McGriff's back with another video. And we about to throw down on the grill. Gonna go ahead and package these hamburgers up. Get them hamburgers right. We got some steak. I'm trying to do my meal prep and stuff for the week. We got some chicken. And then we got the sausages. And the brioche buns, the potato bun for the hamburger. And I'm gonna do some, what else I'm gonna do? Oh, my noodles. End up doing my noodles for my steak meal prep of the week. And I think I might make some baked beans also. I don't even know how these gonna be tasting, but got them from Aldi and stuff, and I got some rice and other little things. But I'm gonna go ahead and fire this grill up, and we're gonna come back in and prep everything, get everything seasoned right, do the chicken for the week, make some hamburgers, and we're gonna get to it. Finna go ahead and put the charcoal in the grill. That Kingsford. Alright, how you doing?
How you doing?
You got to pour it down there in the lake. See if they gonna catch something. But we got a nice little setup. You know what I'm saying? We got the grill with the lake. But let me go and get this set up, and then we'll get this started and everything. Y'all don't even see all these little smaller details of getting it going. So let me go ahead and, I'm only working with one hand. I'm gonna go get the tripod and set everything up, but I'll be back in a second. Alright, so I got grill going. We're gonna let that die down, burn down, and then we're gonna throw the stuff on there, getting everything prepped up and stuff in the house right now. Chilling right now. Sun on his little play set behind there right there. It's a little vibe back here right now. Feel good. Sun ain't too much out. Yeah, chilling though. Finna go and throw the stuff on the grill. Alright, so I got everything seasoned up. That's my chicken, steak, hamburgers, and sausage dog. I already just cleaned the grill off and everything, so we finna go ahead and slap everything on the grill. And should be good to go. Alright, I'm gonna set y'all up on the tripod, and then we'll get to it. So got the steaks and the sausage dog. Hamburgers and chicken. Finna get it cooking. that motherfucker smoking. Good so far. Temperature up there. Thing smoking like a goddamn chimney out there. Get ready and take everything out the grill. Put some cheese on the hamburgers. Sausage sauce, chicken. And we should be good to go. Everything off the grill. Like I said, if y'all don't know how to clean your grill after, just take your onion, put it on the end of a stick, just clean your grill. Go ahead and do all the hard work now, so the next time when you cook, you ain't got to worry about doing it. Get all up in there. Still gonna bring my brush out here. We'll just try to get all the hard stuff off now. Good to go. Now it's time to eat. Still got a little bit of sunlight outside, so look pretty good through the camera. But finna go ahead and get set up and get ready to eat. Alright. We did make some air fried, checker fries to go with our hamburgers and stuff. So, but the rest of the stuff, like I said, is my meal prep for the week. So I'm gonna set that up also too. Mama done already bit in the hub. Got that hamburger. You got the sausage dog with the fries. We ain't doing too much. And the baby eat leftovers. Alright, so now I'm making my meal prep. I got my noodles. They already done. I'm going to I got to it too late, so I'm going to fix this, drain these, and start putting in my pot. I'm watching the video now how it's supposed to turn out. Let y'all see it. It look good. Yep. So that's what I'm trying to do. Alright, so I done already opened my evaporated milk and I'm going ahead and pour that in here. I think I say all of it. Pull that thing into there. Trying to get this thing here together, man. This thing here look good. Alright, just did that. Salt, light cream cheese.
Keep stirring until creamy and cheesy. Then add the cooked and drained
pasta
and mix well to combine. Divide the garlic steak bites and mac and cheese into 4 equal servings with some more parsley.
Exactly what I want.
If you're looking for a delicious high.
Alright, so I done pulled my stuff in there. Now I'm finna go ahead and put these noodles in here. And I don't have cream cheese, so I thought I had some. So now I just gotta make it do what it do. Might not taste the same, but we gonna see and we gonna figure it out. Gotta make do what you gotta make do with. So let me mix this up and get back to y'all in a second. So far, look pretty good. Go ahead and put this garlic in there. Look decent. don't look cheesy enough for me, so I'm gonna go ahead and add some more cheese. Smell good though, so let me mix this up. I only got one hand right now, so let's try to make it more cheesy. Let me put this some more Kobe Jack cheese and Parmesan cheese in it. It should be good to go. Alright, so y'all see I added more cheese to it. Let's see if we can get it real nice and cheesy. I think cream cheese would have set it off, but thought I had some. Did have some, but it was out of date, so definitely wasn't gonna use that. So gotta make it do what it do. But it's starting to look good and consistent. But mix this in, and then we're gonna get set up. I already got my steaks and stuff cooked last night, which I showed y'all what it was. And as you can tell, it's 12:34. So I'm just get my meal and stuff prepped up for the day to take to work tonight. Alright. Alright, so I did buy some new bowls from the store the other day. Go ahead and set them out. Damn, I thought it was 4 of them, but 3 of them, so that's pretty good. I guess I'm gonna put my steak, I'm gonna cut my steak bites over here, and I'm gonna put my, I might put my steak bites right here, depending on what it is, and then I might put my macaroni and cheese and stuff over there. Looking a lot better. Let me try to see if I can light on. Yes, sir. Looking good to me. So we're gonna get it set up and everything, and I should be done. Get back in the bed, go to sleep, wake up and go to work tonight. All right, got all my steak cut up. So now, like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and put them into my names, into my trays. I think I'm gonna add some chicken too, because I also have some chicken. I know I'm gonna have more pasta than what I got steak. So let me go ahead and get everything situated, put everything in my bowls. Alright, so that's what we got. We'll go ahead and wrap it up. Good to go. Yes, sir. Quick little meal prep for people that don't want to cook all during the week. We got this, and I still got some chicken, and I might end up doing those too. But this will get me through the weekend, so we good to go. I also made some grilled chicken the other day, so I'm just gonna go ahead and toss this into the bowl. And that's another meal prep, chicken with the same macaroni, and good to go. So that's 4 quick meals just like that. Meal prepped them on the grill. So I had grilled steak, grilled chicken. Thank you, son. Grilled chicken, grilled steak, macaroni, meal prep for the week. And then I also been drinking my diet teas. I only got 5 calories, so that's what I ended up doing, and drinking a lot of water. So appreciate y'all watching. Catch y'all in the next video. Yes, sir.